Mugasomio mwancho muligereria ndonsi ya soro kwegena kwane nogendete kwegokeria emiroberete yonsi pia Getembe TV wetrase ensemelie mitandao ensemo ya Facebook na buga ensemo ya YouTube. Tariki ni 15 mutinyino yo 10 mu mwaka wa 2025 na ekero chinga kichingiani aliganiri nkoletere ekiunga chinsa 10 senchira yo bwenge unaliganirwa na bwigo twareteru n'abariki beta mangana babegete chikambia se chinsemo AMNC ya Kenya tochakira ase county ya Kisii na bwige county ya Nyamira na kwene kiamna twako yaretere buna gwateka komocha kwende bwensi igotayo karanso kenkomanye chensi ntia kirubo kurense wimenyeri gotorenere Wilson Makori. Ancho mulgeri mwaka no iwe chirubere na murengevere naije natari chirubere na murengevere naisana una natie kabakeba kulinde bono no kwemanye na umwaka toisire gutambuka guchi umwaka ne tugotigana nayo tuchakire no roboti kurwase ya Nyaribari chache yutoka me county ya Kisii abasamenye benseme yibale ne kiboka okera litukolya lero emaega yababwatari na bwiga babwene kurwase Nyagitari ya Oasis kuikirana asenseme yo kolenga abamenyi benseme yo marwire ayibanyare ko bakomenya nabo ase kira kusaso bugima bwabo bwakira lituko nasibanyare ko bakobaina ne limbia muna so gukora gitambukire kyo ase bate abunangichi wakonya gusenigo banyare ko bagokonya bali batari kunyara ko bagwikira ubweni ase chinseme cyo nabwo Nyagitari aba
gana kenara gwite binyoro gwita nanyota abantu barorita abange sana ngana ka request Nyagitari Oasis echirigiria abantu amarwire mbara batari kunyara gwikira Nyagitari twakabanga naba abanyagitari Oasis rero twikira butambegeti gutagusaba abantu ba Oasis so gwanje kuri banjete bakatorendera bakanja kongwa mangana batebeti bakarenda Nyagitari mbakaiga egeti byamona segase mwakorire ngia nainde twengene last time nyansanja ari mate naro bado mbaru ari abantu byasana no ntubige timbeo takira abantu mbaru ari wo so njiga siani ya Central Ward igona gusaba abantu ba Oasis onyiri banyara abantu mbara batakonya wikanya Nyagitari ari barokora sunaga branch gasini ninsa asaba Nyagitari banyara wikira nansa bache bakonya abantu yariko baraisi wetania wadugo sino tora na tare nyomba mananyora abantu mbara batonya kuri nyomba ena gusaba Nyagitari bana bose batenda mangano Oasis na bantaba ya because igende bakyara njiti free abantu barokana kene yonsi ya na bararero gutwaje tubakonye free bakonyeke egere abantu baro batabwatibesa na andu ko imisora abantu bari batabwatisha baganda koracha sha ichiko bakonye ko kibosyo
ande obo kekerenge kenne gitugocha nigo kera maroire mbali ondu bwensi ora orekari o mongino mogako musae wasinde Nyagitari bano takire kogenda chimashini chekero ntubwate na mo ntubwate marae elimo gote mashini nene kabisa ere 1.5 Teslas ikuri oli muberenga kyole kwanya kanyogana kwa bweniwe ebisire byonse byekerenge njo bire Oasis na Oasis ntwanya ku urumali yogo abali bare kali batara register nduguru ko ngasha register sha ino rumurubero bwikoranya na konya wala matibabu asito ikere bono iga utali wakana na nyeshiringi
baligerirwe rinde banyoro bogwenya nande twabali ganiri nande moche rinde nande we abante bagutara barwarite
intuga kikonya abantu barutamba gaiga erinde abantu barori buya bacha sobonge nande Nyagitari ya SCC ambayo ya tebwati kati imbali ko igaba ko ekati ya busano ko bwani taki ya ekorukwa SCC
Tugotigana na roboti oru no tuwika asense melie ye kenyoro kia Mutagari gutoka ime ward ya Busamaro West Mugirango ime county ya Nyamira magayo mongina bwe myaka 53 konyara koba gakonyorekana gesunge tiengoli nyomba mwaye na gwikira gusiria ubugima bwaye na kurengana mono mugambi Richard Mweshe gichana oyu oniganya koba kakwerera muno mongina Helen Nyaboke ni gwarigetie gotebekana buna gusani garigeteri huko asaba gakwerera igoro yo kubora kwa mwana yo Momora Robin oyu gotebekana ukorete amamocho asaringe gokora emirimo ikikirete ogotama kwaye sekirina ngorigi gwari ngoroboti uri na togotochera sembe
Mweche gondo mwasisa nchivi ya njoro sublocation ona kerua isimi mamisa 12 neno sunga noyo minto Wycliffe Mbata onte mukamu muno mwabo gwengente nasoka nacha koene kielinganeli nekero na ikororo ona nyora ngama eno mongino igokuru kwa Ellen onsose gwengente nabo igo nigara sengoli karona jikone nkiake na nyora inoti yari igete otebanga sure abiro mwana yo kuru Robin na aira nenka koranga mwana ote yonka igale isikase ngenjo yo saliwa ka ugaro kanete igo ne ona rangiria basikali bachira abaikira saya na mu berenguru subura iga oigwa senke ndu ya ibara wono koranga kini kenene kyumunga kwenge ntana sengenjo yo muchandu igo mwana ya Robin ote yonka ando korogwa te kesi no na sure igere nere no tiatika nyumba
abanyanyimbo korangiri na bare
igo narangiri abanyanyimbo korwa station yetu ya Nyamira bayikire gaiga bakire na CID baligere omubere na family ya decide omubere obo kwase nkendi ibara
so bia mono
mo Nelen iga bate miaka 58 ono oikire korara nale bo advice abantu baitunga ikaro mu itinyano gwe birenga lyochire gose kare birenga bya biribe nega nirie at least abantu basanga birenga bya mona abantu bamwabo elinde basemania asobia na bantu mbako na cheki na buneke igara mongina eleniana chire getaliki ya se kenyoro so nale advice abantu baitaba na karolingana lya chire buneli tema koliyo bokonyi gotera na search obis cheito nani nzo goto ko basemia na goto ko bakwana to akora counseling egere ubulima bwagenda
sekta yechisemi muliki obotambi ase wizara yechisemi Belio Kipsang ningobona atebire mna bikole bya oboibi bwa matemo tibiranyara kwa bigokorekana ase chinsemo aime yense ya Kenya gosekorengana mna mangana reko bakagotebekana mna borokiwa na buiga borokia manyarete ko bakonyorwa na masakara ya machivu ose ase birasi byogokorera amatemo chinga kechecho nigatebne serikali ningebegetemero buli saine reko nikibna matemo ya KCSE ekararigeti gochikwera ngonyarare gokorekana senchira yobukira.
To affirm is that our exam has not leaked, because an examination leakage is where people get exposure to the exam maybe a day or two early. What we have been having is what we call early exposure, where people receive the papers the same they are receiving here. Once they are in school, as they distribute to the students, somebody takes a photo of the paper that already has been opened. That one is not a leakage, it is an early exposure. And this year, we totally changed strategy in our examination, and all our exams are personalized. Each exam is to an individual. So when a student allows their paper to be, a photo to be taken of their paper, then that paper is traced to an individual. And that is why this year we have said people will be taking personal responsibility. We shall not be condemning an examination center or school, or we are not condemning a whole. If we have 20 invigilators and one of them was careless, then we shall deal with the individual. If it is about the center manager, then we deal with that center manager, because the responsibility is personal. It is not a shared one. When you are given an exam paper, that is your exam paper. If you allow your exam paper to be played around with, it is you who will suffer for it. And I'm very
kana mono komentekana kwa mangana yobo salia sechinse ma au imeyense ya Kenya ane mono obu bwe chi transformer ni kubanyare kuba bogo tebekana sechinse mo na bono asaba menyi bense mu yakamuli bagende tegutigara asomo sunte asekeli batebina asegeka kiombo tienye mo bono mega transformer yanseme yukunyara kuba yekuibwa asabano besokire na kubulia serikali kobeke merbeli sene elio konya obulembi sechinse mecho
tumekuwa na shida ya stima. Ukiangalia hapa juu pale zimetolewa. Tumejaribu kuripoti hakuna majibu. Ukiangalia hapa kuna giza sana. Kutoka chini pale zote zimetolewa. Hakuna. Na tuna sino nane natoa. Probably ni watu wa Kenya Power sababu ndio wako na ile viatu ya kupanda juu. Mtu a layman cannot do it. Sababu lazima uwe na ujuzi wa ku disconnect. Sasa juzi siku mbili zimepita sasa. Stima ilipotea kitu saa 1:30 karibu saa 2. Tukafikiria ni kawaida. Mimi kwangu ni kutoka nje. Nikaona mpaka ya barabara street light hakuna. Tukarara. Sasa anapiwa simu asubuhi ya kwamba hii transformer yetu hapa imetolewa. Nikakuja nikaconfirm. Tukiwa hapo tulipata information mbalimbali ya kwamba hiyo usiku saa 7 kuna wanaume 6 walikuwa hapa. Mmoja amevaa overall ya KBLC. Ule aliwapata alikuwa anapita kwa barabara akauliza kwani wanatengeneza stima usiku, wakamstua akamuuliza unatuliza nini na tuko kazi. Wakamfukuza. Kumbe ndio alikuwa anajiandaa kufanya nini? Kutoa. So probably mtu wa Kenya Power inahusika. Inajua hii kitu imeenda wapi. Sababu hii kitu ikitolewa iende kuwekwa kwa nyumba ya mtu. Ilitolewa iende kuwekwa mahali transformer imeharibika. That's the only solution. Ni replacement inaenda kufanya. Sasa sita tuko nayo hapa ni kwamba business hapa zimeharibika, mafriji zimeharibika. Kama kwangu bibi yangu akona shida ya sukari. Insulin tulikuwa na paketi 5, hasina kazi. Tunapeleka wapi? Itakuwaje sasa? Kenya Power atatulipa na hiyo madawa. Tutafanya nini?
Hatuna furaha sababu hawa watu wa Kenya Power wenyewe ndio wanakuja wanatuibia stima. Wao wanatuwekea na wanatuibia. Sasa wengine tunafanya biashara za stima. So siku 2 zimepita hatuna stima. Tulisikia eti ni wezi walikuja wakaiba transformer, lakini hatutasema ni wezi, ni Kenya Power wenyewe. Sasa walikuja wakachukua hiyo transformer, wakatoa vitu walitoa huko ndani, wao ndio wanajua. Sisi kitu tunaomba turudisiwe stima. Tuendelee na biashara zetu. Hatuna la kufanya.
Usiku kwa nyimbo muraibu ense ya Kenya moske kitore kindiki ritukolia lero nigikirana asegi karo kya baremi bekemerie chae uyo mo nyara kwa bako korekana ime umuchio Mombasa ritukolia lero sibanya kwa bako kwanira mangana mange ane mono emechandoria baremi bekemerie kige chae bagwetera na begemeroberie bekire elio gochikwene kya buna echiro gosechiro yo gochikonie chae yunkonyarere ko bage konyorekana.
This third after diaspora remittances and as well as tourism. Today, our tea has grown in terms of quality and safety, and one of the reasons why our tea continues to maintain its quality and safety, it is because it is grown in natural conditions with very little chemical input. Kenyan tea, just like our athletes, is a globally recognized and outstanding brand. I appreciate what the Tea Board of Kenya is doing and the other stakeholders to market our tea abroad, and I want to commit to support that marketing campaign, and will be more than happy to join you when I can, when you go to market our tea in the places where our tea is exported. I think I have a bit more now of leverage to travel, because I have not been able to travel because of the previous national duty I was doing, which compelled me to stay within the territory of the Kenya 24 hours, 7 days a week, including on Christmas Day. I'm the only person who for the last 2-3 years have not been able to even go on Christmas. When you are on Christmas vacation, I am on duty, and I can see people who are familiar with that story, like Mheshimiwa Ruwaida here from Lamu. Those were some of the places I used to spend my Christmas with our frontline officers in the security sector. Therefore, as I have said, this is a very, very strong brand, our Kenyan tea, just like our athletes, and we need to leverage on.
Mwaziri bwechisemi umusikemi gosi ogambari tkolia lero nigikirana ase skure muime mucho Nairobi Elio gose asomoye gabo kubekirwa igutu asabor kiwa beskuru yu asanyara kobaga koba esegitwe karo bakolira masomo abo na gucha ase gusikuchwa kucha kama gimabo bene iminsi yake.
We are here today to celebrate an incredible achievement, one that resonates not only for the students graduating today, but for Tangaza University and our entire educational landscape. This graduation, Your Excellency, marks the beginning of Tangaza's journey as a chartered university, standing as a shining example of what an institution of higher learning should aspire to be. First, Your Excellency, let me take this opportunity to thank you for finding time out of your very busy schedule to attend this most important event for our graduates and the entire Tangaza University community. Your Excellency, sir, your government places a high value on education that is both transformative and relevant to the needs of our economy and society. Tangaza's dedication to academic excellence speaks to this priority. By promoting quality, innovative and transformative educational programs, Tangaza ensures that its graduates are equipped not only with knowledge, but with the practical skills and ethics that are required to make a meaningful impact. I can promise you, sir, that the graduates before you here today
Ura marabensi ya Kenya muske William Samoei Ruto bigoni ganyara ko baga gwikirana asomo yigo yibo kwena na chigutwa na senyara ko ba asinkwana ya ni ganyara ko baga ko bakwanira oso kwana igoro yinkwana ya ba bishop yibanya to ko ba ko rit ko ligoro asanya ko baga ko babulia na nere buya bakanyara ko ba ko robotu kimenga batararu yinkwana yabo gucha saba Kenya.
That we are here today to do this together, and I want to ask all of us, leaders, the clergy, Kenyans, to work together towards a nation that we can all be proud of. And even as we engage in public discourse on matters that are important to the people of Kenya, we must be careful to be factual, lest we become victims of the things we accuse others of doing. I know.
Ayo munaenda mange mwancho muligiria senchira yo bwikirano umeranere Kevin Onkoba akumanya se kionga chinsa hivi nabuge kionga chinsa nye unagendete gwatika kurase chinsemo imeyense ya Kenya tori marago bengia nabugendera kwego kilimiro belito yonsi pime ya Getembe TV nche Cynthia Kirgo sema manyeri utongenere Wilson Makori nsema transmission tongenere DJ Atsan nabiwachi kamera nere DJ Rev.
Getembe Television ekionga kya Mwamogusi.
Hi everyone, my name is